Hey YouTube subscribers, guys that watch my videos regularly, this is something a little bit different. I don't really know what I'm doing here, just trying to try something a little bit different. So the UPS guy just showed up and dropped something off. And I've got a million projects going on. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but I've been trying to put out a little more content a little more frequently. But why not pile a little more on, okay? So yeah, the UPS guy just showed up. I ordered something, and it's for my truck. I wanted to, basically I'm putting together a little recovery kit, but I kind of keep an eye on the prices of axes and some gear that I keep my eye on, and I was browsing Amazon the other day, and the price on this Tomahawk, this is the Rifleman Hawk. This thing was $21.95. As far as I know, it's still $21.95. And I've noticed that Amazon does that. Sometimes their prices are ridiculous. They're 2 and 3 times what they should be. And then other times they're just, I don't know if they're overstocked or what. But they're, to me, ridiculously low. This thing is $21.95, and the Norse Hawk is like $19.95 right now. So I went ahead and ordered one because I never did a review on this. And I did have one for a friend of mine. I did some modifications on it, cleaned it up, and I just didn't get a chance to actually do a review on it. So now's my chance. I went ahead and bought one. I know these things work really well. What I really don't need is another axe. I've got another one on order. There was a mix-up in shipping. It's not here right now. I ordered another. This guy right here. I've got an H&B that I'm doing. I'm waiting to get a chance to go out and do an actual field review of. I've got a lot going on, so why not pile some more on the plate? Anyways, all right, guys. So yeah, I just thought I'd throw this out there. Yeah, $21, man. It's got a hardened hammer pole and a big old massive blade on there, and I can tell you right now from when I used this before, this thing chops really well and it splits decent. It is a massive tomahawk, and it competes very well to an axe. So what else did I get? I told you I was building. The idea of this was to build a bit of a recovery kit. Now I haven't seen this yet. I kind of started opening it and I thought maybe I'd do a little video. So what else did I get? This is kind of a weird deal, so maybe you guys can follow my line of thought, maybe not. This is another cold steel product. Unfortunately, it wasn't on an awesome sale. I had to pay kind of full price for it. But my thought was kind of along the lines of the old Pioneer kit that the Humvees had. I've got a shovel in my truck that I have a mount for, but what I thought might be kind of interesting, as you can see, we've got a 30-inch hickory handle, and it's a little smaller than I thought it would be, but we've got the cold steel war hammer. So what do you think of that? My idea with this would be it would be a bit of a pick, kind of like a pickaxe. And it might be cool to just smash some stuff and, have fun with. But the idea behind this is that I'll have one handle and 2 tools, and this can sit behind my seat. Okay, so I'll clean these up, and for this go around, I think I'm actually going to leave the paint on instead of stripping it down and doing kind of my normal thing, because this paint is actually pretty thick, and because this is going to be more of a working tool than like a bushcraft or that kind of thing, I might actually just leave this paint on here. But I'll clean them up, and to be honest, this is probably the nicest head to handle fit I've ever got. Very little cleanup, and actually the fitment down here on the eye is really good. So yeah, I'll take the set screw out, clean this up. Now, which handle to use? I don't know. That'll be in a later video. I just wanted to get this out. So I can see this being very useful for digging in rocks and things like that, moving material and debris out of the way when you're getting unstuck. Now, maybe it's not the most useful tool, but considering it's fairly lightweight and it uses the same handle as this axe head will, that's the idea I'm going with. So, I don't know. Maybe it's a good idea, maybe not. Let me know in the comments what you think. But for 21 bucks for the Rifleman, I thought that was a dang good deal. Alright guys, stay safe, practice your skills, leave a comment, leave a suggestion. Constructive criticism is always welcome. That's how we learn. And until next time, see you guys. Oh yeah. Yeah, about the shirt. It is time to go fishing. So, on top of all these other projects I've got going, I'm also trying to break away to get out and go fishing. So, for those of you guys that like to fish, being early spring, yeah, it's time to go. Tight lines.